Mahatma Gandhi'S life is depicted in these 30 dioramas at the Mani Bhavan Sangrahalaya here in Bombay. The Mani Bhavan Sangrahalaya Trust entrusted the work of conservation of this display to Anupam Heritage Lab so that the story of Gandhiji will continue to inspire the millions of visitors, especially children from around the world who come here. While the conservation effort was extremely intensive, consultative, uh, with a lot of attention to detail, as well as the context and archival research, I think this effort is essentially a tribute to Sushila Gokhale-ji, then Sushila Gokhale-Patel, who at the age of 50, with a number of people who used to lead normal lives and vegetable sellers and craftspeople, she brought them all together to create this magnum opus of a display and a narration of an inspiring life. Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.